Have you ever wondered what it would feel like to drive worry-free from speeding tickets? In this video, I'll show you how, with a concealed radar laser system we completed on the C8 Corvette Z06. Here is the Redenzo built-in radar system paired with AO priority laser jammers, which are universal systems that we modify to seamlessly integrate into each vehicle. Every vehicle has preliminary testing performed with multiple laser guns, which allows us to determine the best combination of laser jammers and placement. After extensive testing, the setup for the Z06 will defeat all laser guns used by law enforcement. We 3D laser scanned the front of the vehicle to CAD-design the laser jammer housings that the jammers mount into to aesthetically blend into the front bumper without any modifications. The housings are outlined in blue. They were created by a combination of 3D printing the base and laser cutting and heat forming the lens. The laser jammers will prevent a law enforcement laser gun from obtaining your speed from ahead. Here's the finished result of how they turned out. The front radar antenna is mounted to a bracket behind the bumper and will alert you when there are radar threats ahead. The GPS antennas were mounted to a 3D printed bracket also behind the front bumper. The rear of the vehicle has laser jammers mounted above the license plate, discreetly behind a single lens. The fabricated housing was CAD designed and eliminates the need for modifying the bumper when routing the wires. This setup provides optimal placement for the jammers to prevent a law enforcement laser gun from obtaining your speed from the rear. The rear radar antenna is concealed behind the bumper to a bracket and will alert you of threats from behind. The main components were mounted to a fabricated bracket under the dash. The wires were shortened and labeled for serviceability, and the USB update ports were mounted next to the OBD port for accessibility. The Redenzo display controller was flush mounted into the overhead panel and can easily be returned to stock if removed. After every install, the system is tested again with multiple laser guns to verify everything is working properly. You can see in these clips the gun is unable to get a speed until the laser jammers are turned off. With this system, the laser jammers are programmed to jam for a certain number of seconds and then they turn off, so that you get alerted and have enough time to slow down before law enforcement can obtain the speed. In the video clips, we were testing the vehicle with a Dragon Eye compact laser gun, which is the hardest to jam, and as you just saw, it was unable to get the speed with the jammers on. We also design and manufacture C8 Z06 with a Z07 package skid plates that preserve the bumper in its original condition. Our skid plates are 3D laser scanned, CAD designed, CNC machined, and hand taped. This allows us to provide a perfect fit and finish. They require no holes to be drilled because drilling 20 to 40 holes during installation would defeat protecting the bumper. The skid plates preserve the bumper in its original condition by using 3M VHB tape for installation. Our design has slits that allow the plastic to conform to the bumper and yields better coverage on the outer edges. The best part is that they can be removed without any signs that they were there. If you want to learn more, click on the link in the description. If you are looking for an OEM install of a radar laser system that's tested with multiple law enforcement laser guns, then you've found the right shop. This is Becky from AutoMods. Thanks for watching our video, and if you have any questions or would like to learn more, please give me a call or send an email. Thanks.